Okay, this morning's project, we're going to take these old regular lights and we're going to turn them into these guys. I've got, they're called blinker genies by Custom LED, and this is going to enable the running lights to work along with the turn signals. So we'll get busy and make it happen. Okay, step one, we've removed the bolts from the front there. I'm going to take these guys out. And this should release the sides, and we'll be able to get these turn signals off. Maybe. Nice long bolt there. And the whole thing comes out just like that. Oh, one more down here. And that looks like a number 5. Okay, after all the bolts are out, all this stuff falls away. Headlight comes down, revealing this little packet here, which contains all the wires. And you can pull everything loose. Now, all we have to do is cut them and put the new ones in. Simple, eh? Okay, just like I did on the backs, I soldered up the fronts, used the same, same clips. Got everything mounted. I got these metal covers, inside and outside, metal on both sides. Very nice. My project is not without problems though. During my testing, I screwed something up. Turn signals aren't coming on at all, either side, and that started on the first side. So I got to figure that out. Check the fuses, already ran through all the basic diagnostics. We'll figure it out. Okay, I fixed my issue. Blown parking fuse back in here. Wouldn't allow the turn signals to work. The signals fuse was okay. So anyway, I have running lights. I have to re-aim these bad boys. And I'll have to put those back in. And I have turn signals. Both sides. In the rear. Turn signals. And I should have hazards. Yep, got hazards. Front and rear. So that's it. All converted to LED. So the mods that I have done so far are the front turn signals. I'll turn that off. With the running lights, courtesy of Blinker Magic, that does them both. I redid the turn signal module and put one in that'll do LEDs. That looks real nice. Moving up here, I did the Hepco and Becker tank bag that's on a magnetic release. So you just pull that, it comes off real clean. It's got a very clean look when it's not on. It's a very clean look. Got a little carrying handle and a bag mount, and attaches that quickly. I did the OES frame sliders, and of course the tail eliminator. So with that, there's my FZ07 as of today.